is poking me from behind. Excuse me, madam. Can you please hold my purse here for 2 minutes? I'll change my clothes in 5 minutes. Hey, madam, could you please unzip me from the back?
Yes, I will do it right now.
Hey, you idiot, what are you doing?
Hey, crazy girl, don't you have any shame? You're taking off your clothes in front of my husband.
Hey, at least listen to me. You're scolding me for no reason. I have no choice.
What kind of compulsion is this that you have to take off your clothes?
The thing is, I have to go to a party. My future husband is coming there too. If he sees me with this fat belly, he'll refuse to marry me. That's why I'm wearing my magical clothes. With this, I'll look slim and just like an actress. But before you see that,
If you truly love your mother, then like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment, "I love you, Mom." And if you don't do this, then I will assume that you don't love your mother.
friends, as soon as I put on my magical clothes after wearing them, I look so slim and just like pretty actress.